Looks like we're in for round 3. It looks a bit yellow over there. You can't really see it on the camera. It's nice to see where the ute burned down is all clear now. It's getting better. Still a lot of people without power. It's getting pretty dark up that way. We're getting some crazy thunder at the moment, but look at this. Redcliffe, North Brisbane, dangerous storms. Caboolture and Deception Bay and all that area. Heavy rain, large hail, and likely a tornado possible with this storm. I have honestly never seen a tornado. Like, I've lived in Australia my whole life, but I've never seen anything like this. And this is coming from a reputable source. An actual forecast page from Higgins Storm Chasing. I don't believe that we will get a tornado. Well, those people up there will get a tornado. But yeah, if you do get a tornado and you live up that way, let me know. But that's what you guys are in for those areas there. So it's been 5 minutes. Oh, that was a nice lightning strike. And yeah, it's coming, the wind's starting to pick up a bit. I don't know if you can hear that clearly on the phone, but it's starting to pick up. But yeah, I don't believe a tornado is going to hit. That's like ridiculous. That's the kind of crap that you find in America, unless climate change is actually real. The wind's starting to pick up really strong now, so hopefully that tree doesn't come down. If it smashes the car, I don't really mind, it's got insurance. But this is Boxing Day, and you know what they say on Boxing Day? Round 3. I'll win this one. Oh, look at that, that's going mental at the moment. And it's not even here yet. Probably about another 10-15 minutes and it's going to be here.